It's understandable why seeing them move on so quickly, seeing them with someone else, just after you broke up, hurts you so much. Okay, you spent a long time with this person, building a strong relationship, a strong foundation, connections, shared memories, things that you've done together, planning the future. Okay, there's a lot of things you guys did. That's why it hurts so much. And I'm going to give you a quick reframe as to why this is the case. Okay, the reason they left so quick and the reason that they've moved on so fast is because one, they can't face the pain, they can't face the emotions. What they're in is a rebound, okay? It's numbing the pain that they have. They can't face the emotions because they're not strong enough right now to feel it. You, however, are facing the pain. You know, you're dealing with the feelings that are coming your way. You're handling it with maturity. Okay, the people that go off and seek the validation, to numb the pain, to have the rebound relationships, to rub it in your face, this isn't maturity speaking. Or the second thing is they simply were not as invested as you were in the relationship. You know, if you were with someone that was a bit playful with people, a bit flirtatious, a bit open, you know, it kind of explains a lot. But don't let this at any point reflect on your worth, because you have nothing to do with this. This has everything to do with them. Okay, if they left and they decided to go off with someone else, that's something they have to deal with, not something you have to deal with. And it has no reflection on your worth. And let's just have a quick reframe, okay? You deserve someone that's going to show up and actually appreciate you. So if someone left you, or if the relationship just ended and they already end up with someone else within weeks or in a month, you deserve someone way better than that. And the truth is, if this person is already with someone else, okay, their healing is going to be messed up, because when you avoid the pain, when you avoid the emotions that you're meant to feel after a heartbreak, it doubles down over time. And not only that, but if they're going off with rebounds, entertaining other people to numb that pain, they're going to end up having regrets, also at the same time as healing. You, however, are doing the right thing, okay? You're healing, you're facing the emotions, you're trying to make sense of everything, and that is exactly the right thing to be doing. But what I want you to remember is your worth, and remember that none of this has anything to do with you. Whatever the reason was for the breakup, the relationship was not meant to be. The end was for a reason. The reason it hurts so much is because this is someone that you've given so much energy to, made so many memories with, loved so deeply, given so much for, and they've just walked away and ended up with someone else. But what I want to tell you is the grass is not greener, okay? The grass is greener where you water it. And often these people that go off and they have rebounds, and they entertain the validation, they end up regretting it. Because they look back and they go, well, what was all that for? Okay, all it was a fling in the moment. It doesn't last, okay? Rebounds never last. And a nice rephrase is almost be grateful for it, because their truth is being revealed right in front of you. If they want to go off and leave you for someone else, or if they want to end up with someone else soon after breaking up with you, that just signifies everything that's within them. They clearly have this internal issue with validation, or with wanting to seek other people with pleasure, with that high, with the thrill. You don't want any of that. Okay, you deserve so much more, and I've been here, and it sucks big. I understand the pain, okay, it's really, really annoying, especially when you've given so much of your effort, finances, time, you know, it just feels like a massive waste. But in the end of the day, it's not, because this moment teaches you so much about yourself and so much about what you want and what you will actually let into your life in the future. Okay, anytime anyone's left me in the past and ended up with someone else, I tried not to see it as a reflection of myself and saw it more as an opportunity to actually learn what it is I want in my life, who it is, the kind of person that, you know, I want to fall in love with. What traits do they have? What do they bring to the table? You know, these are the questions you should be asking yourself when you are dating someone. The most mature and honest thing you can do is sit and face the pain, feel everything that comes your way, and that's exactly what you're doing. You're doing the right thing.